Imagine this. You are outside. Maybe you are in a busy street. You see many people. You hear cars, voices, and footsteps. Now think about this. You need help. Maybe you are lost. Maybe you cannot find a place. Maybe you feel confused. How do you feel? A little nervous? A little shy? This is normal. Many people feel this way. When we speak in English, our mind starts to worry. We think, what if I make a mistake? We think, what if people do not understand me? Take a slow breath. It is okay. You do not need perfect English. You only need simple words. Today, we will learn how to ask for help, slowly, calmly, with confidence. Now imagine this scene. You are walking in a new place. You look around. Everything feels new. You stop. You check your phone. But the map is not clear. You feel a little stress in your body. Your heart beats a bit faster. You think, I need help. You see a person nearby. They look friendly. But your mind says, no, don't speak. This is overthinking. Sometimes our mind tries to stop us. It wants to keep us safe. But you can take a small step, just one sentence. Let's try together. Say this slowly. Excuse me. Repeat it. Excuse me. Very good. This is a polite way to start. Now add one more sentence. Can you help me? Say it slowly. Can you help me? Good job. Now put together. Excuse me, can you help me? Repeat again. Excuse me, can you help me? Nice. This is simple. This is enough. Now, go back to the story. You look at the person. You feel nervous. But you remember your sentence. You take a small breath, and you say, excuse me, can you help me? The person looks at you. They smile. They say, yes, of course. Now how do you feel? A little better? A little more relaxed? This is your first small success. Feel proud of yourself. You spoke. You tried. That is important. Now, let's continue the moment. You want to ask for a place. Maybe a bus stop. Maybe a shop. Say this. Where's the bus stop? Repeat it slowly. Where's the bus stop? Good. Or you can say, where is this place? Repeat. Where is this place? Very nice. The person starts to explain. They speak a little fast. Now you feel confused again. Your mind says, oh no, I don't understand. This is another moment. Another chance to speak. You can say, sorry, can you say that again? Repeat it. Sorry, can you say that again? Good job. This is how you stay in the conversation. Slowly, step by step. You're doing great. The person smiles again. They speak more slowly this time. You listen carefully. You catch a few words. Go straight. Turn left. Next to the shop. You do not understand everything. And that is okay. You understand a little. That is enough. Now think about this. Sometimes we want to understand every word, but this makes us feel stress. Our mind says, this is too hard. But you can relax. You only need the main idea. You can also ask one more question. You can say, can you show me? Repeat it. Can you show me? Very good. Or you can say, can you point? Repeat. Can you point? Nice. Now imagine this. The person points their hand. You look in that direction. Now it is more clear. You smile. You say, thank you. Repeat it. Thank you. Again. Thank you. Good. The person says, you're welcome. This is a simple conversation, but it is powerful. You asked for help. You stayed calm. You did not stop. This is how confidence grows. Slowly, step by step. Now feel this moment. You start walking. You follow the directions. You feel lighter. Your body is more relaxed. Your mind is quiet. You think, I did it. This is a small win, but small wins are important. They build your confidence. They change your thinking. Before you thought, I cannot speak. Now you think, maybe I can try. This is a big change. Now, let's practice one more time. Imagine a new situation. You are in a store. You cannot find something. You look around. You feel a little confused. But this time, you are ready. You walk to a worker. You say, excuse me, can you help me? Repeat it. Excuse me, can you help me? Good. Then you say, I am looking for this. Repeat, I am looking for this. Very nice. If you forget a word, it is okay. You can point. You can show. You can use simple words. Communication is not about perfect English. It is about connection. Now think about your daily life. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow, you can try one small sentence. Just one. That is enough. One sentence a day is powerful. You can say, excuse me, or can you help me? Use it in real life. Try it with someone. Feel the moment. Even if your voice is soft, it is okay. Even if you feel shy, it is okay. You are learning. You are growing. And that matters. Now take a slow breath. Relax your shoulders. Feel calm. You are doing something new, and that is brave. Remember this. It is okay to speak slowly. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay to try again. Every time you speak, you learn. Every time you try, you grow. So keep going. Keep practicing. Keep believing in yourself. You are getting better, step by step. If you enjoyed this practice, keep listening every day. Try these sentences in real life. Write one sentence in the comments and say it out loud. Also, like this video and subscribe for more slow and easy English practice. You are doing great. Keep going.